Hi, my name is Gusti Chairunnysa K.
And my name is Joie Jennifer W. Today we're going to be talking about data-driven. We're also going to learn about Gojek's data-driven.
So we're gonna start with what data-driven is. What is data-driven? Data-driven means data that leads the decision-making process. Therefore, these data have a crucial role in a company because decision makers act based on data. The benefit of this data-driven company is that companies can find out whether the decisions they make are successful in answering problems or not. In fact, it is not enough. If the decisions they make are wrong, then the data-driven company will help the company to analyze new data to find the right decision making. Now we're gonna talking about Gojek's profile. Gojek was founded by Nadiem Makarim, an Indonesian citizen who graduated from the Master of Business Administration from Harvard Business School. The idea of establishing Gojek arose from Nadiem Makarim's personal experience of using ojek transportation almost every day to work to get through traffic jams in Jakarta. At that time, Nadiem was still working as the co-founder and managing director of Zalora Indonesia and Chief Innovation Officer Kartuku. As someone who often uses ojek transportation, Nadiem Makarim sees that most of the time spent by ojek drivers is just hanging around waiting for passengers. In fact, motorcycle taxi drivers will earn more if they continue to look for passengers. In addition, he sees that the availability of this type of transportation is not as much as other types of transportation, so it is often quite difficult to find. He wanted an ojek that could be there anytime he needed it. From this experience, Nadiem Makarim saw an opportunity to create a service that could connect passengers with motorcycle taxi drivers. On October 13, 2010, Gojek was officially established with 20 drivers. At that time, Gojek still relied on call centers to connect passengers with motorcycle taxi drivers. In mid-2014, thanks to Uber's popularity at that time, Nadiem Makarim started getting investment offers. On January 7, 2015, Gojek finally launched an Android and iOS-based application to replace the ordering system using a call center. Gojek and data. From 2010, Gojek collected data to understand customer behavior, and in 2015 launched a mobile application that bundled ride-hailing, food delivery, and grocery shopping. Gojek today operates in 167 cities and districts throughout Indonesia and is the largest player in many industry verticals. Gojek supports socioeconomic mobility in Indonesia by allowing people to rise up from poverty. Furthermore, Gojek payment service has become one of the leading e-money platforms in Southeast Asia.
Now, how do they obtain their data? Gojek gets their customer data through digital application intermediaries. The data obtained can be in the form of the buyer's address, the average age of the buyer, gender, and the choice of purchase. Gojek collaborates with Google in a service called Google Cloud Professional Service. The service helps Gojek to understand more about the user data and how to use it for a more efficient business. Now the question is, how do they analyze the data and turn it into insights? Gojek analyzes operational data on Google Cloud to improve their performance and services. With diverse offerings from GoRide to e-payment platform GoPay and food delivery service GoFood, the business accumulates several types of data ranging from bookings and conversion, merchant sales and revenue, to mobile user experience. For example, the team tracks driver location data to monitor and improve the effectiveness of their allocation system. By mapping the geolocations of the bookings, they can identify problem areas with lower conversion or allocation rates. Gojek also uses Google data to track user activity on the mobile app to measure engagement and longevity and refine consumer segmentation. By analyzing GoFood data, they identified key factors that contributed to cancellations such as distance, price, restaurant operational hours, and drivers' remuneration. By visualizing GoPay data on cohort charts, they could track customers' dependence on the e-payment platform. These valuable insights have helped the business resolve problems and strive for constant improvement and innovation in the products. The actions they took based on data. Gojek has succeeded in utilizing data during the COVID-19 pandemic to create a contactless delivery feature that is very relevant for the current situation. Gojek uses existing data to find out what trends are booming and tries to focus on what consumers are interested in. The collected user data can be used by Gojek to provide better user personalization and make the Gojek application smart in understanding the wishes of its users. And finally, the result. Gojek has managed to grow very quickly thanks to the integration of a data-driven model in its business. Gojek is currently one of the unicorn startups in Indonesia that are worth $1 million. Gojek has succeeded in becoming one of the most used applications in Indonesia and has succeeded in being useful in the community. Now let's talk about the features that this application has. They have GoRide, GoCar, GoMart, GoSend, and GoBox. Those are the main features they have in Gojek. These features will help continue to grow the business and gain more consumers. So to sum it up, data-driven can give a very big impact to your business as it helps your business to grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and share it to your friends and family.